ready for this?
As ready as I'll ever be. Whoa! What's with all the magic sparkles?
Now I remember. All hail the rightful ruler of Sugar Rush, Princess Vanellope.
I remember, she's our princess.
Oh, that's right.
We are so sorry about the way we treated you.
Yeah, those were jokes.
I was just doing what Taffeta told me to.
Tut tut. As your merciful princess, I hereby decree that everyone who was ever mean to me shall be executed.
What? No, please.
Oh, my land.
Oh, this place just got interesting.
Oh, I don't want to die.
I'm just kidding.
You are?
Stop crying, Taffeta.
I'm trying, but I won't stop.
Wow. So this is the real you. Princess.
Ah, Ralph, what are you, nuts? Come on, this isn't me. This is me. Look, the code may say I'm a princess, but I know who I really am, Ralph. I'm a racer with the greatest superpower ever. I was here. I was there. I was glitching through the walls. I'm not giving that up.
Pardon me for asking, but without a princess, who's gonna lead us?
Yeah, who?
Me. I'm thinking more along the lines of a constitutional democracy. President Vanellope von Schweetz. Has a nice ring to it, don't you think?
Fix it. Wreck it. The arcade's about to open. Let's move them out.
You know, you could just stay here and live in the castle. You'd have your own wing where no one would ever complain about your stench or treat you bad ever again. You could be happy.
I'm already happy. Got the coolest friend in the world. And besides, I've got a job to do too. May not be as fancy as being president, but it's my duty. And it's a big duty.
Ralph, you coming, brother?
See you later, President Fartfeathers.
Au revoir, Admiral Underpants.
And farewell, Baroness Boogerface.
Goodbye, Major Body Odor.
Hasta la vista,
Ralph!
All right, to be continued.
Yeah!